Natural remedies for shingles. Shingles is an infection caused by the same virus that gives you chickenpox. It shows up with a painful rash and usually lasts 2 to 4 weeks. With pain, burning, itching, and all around discomfort, the symptoms can be tough to ride out. You can get worn down mentally when you are in a constant pain. Beat this pain with your mind also. Vitamin C. Studies have found that ascorbic acid or vitamin C is helpful in reducing pain caused by shingles. This is because vitamin C can help in strengthening your immune system and fighting against the herpes zoster virus. You could take it in the form of supplement and consult your doctor for the right dosage. Raw honey. Honey is one of the most effective home remedy when it comes to the wide range of skin conditions. Honey has antibacterial and most importantly antiviral properties, which is good for shingles. Simply apply a thin layer of honey on the affected areas and leave it on for a few hours. Capsicum or cayenne pepper cream. Capsicum cream has soothing effect on the skin and can help in reducing skin irritation caused by shingles. You can easily find this cream product online. Despite how spicy it might taste, studies have found that it has pain relieving compounds. Other than this, capsicum can also kill cancer cells. Hibiscus. The hibiscus or shoe flower, as it is most commonly called in India, is an easily available and cheap home remedy for shingles. Make a fine paste of the petals with the help of a few drops of water and apply it on the affected areas. Licorice. Just like honey and vitamin C, licorice also has antiviral properties. You could either use licorice powder or in the form of a tea. Mix a few drops of water to powder and make a fine paste and apply it on the area worst affected by the herpes zoster virus. If you have a licorice tea, use a cotton ball for application.